This is my 2019 Harley Davidson Sportster Superlow 883. Just a quick walk round and listen to it running. I'll mention a few things about it, but I've done a full spec list at the end of this video. It's got twin staggered shorty exhaust with dual mufflers. Lovely looking bike. Air-cooled Evolution engine, 883cc. Electronic sequential port fuel injection. Fuel capacity, I think it's 17 litres. The full weight of the bike with everything on is 258 kilograms. (18-inch) front wheel, 17-inch rear wheel. (31.1 degrees steering head, the rake. It's 100mm of ground clearance. Seat height is 705mm. The length is 2225mm. That's 2.225 meters. Wheelbase is 1500mm, 1.5 meters. Fuel economy is acclaimed at 49 miles per gallon. I'm not much for the license plate where it says that can be moved to the side eventually, I think. Indicators are tucked underneath the bars out of the way. Small little mirrors, pretty good. Chrome air cleaner. Adjustable shocks. Single seat. You can get a load of accessories, double seats and etc. and stuff. Handlebar mounts. Just gonna switch it on. It's keyless start as well. That's for the keyless start. If that isn't near you, it won't start at all and the alarm will go off. That's for changing the display settings. You've got quite a bit on there. You've got speedometer, time of day, dual trip meter, low fuel warning light, all pressure lights, engine diagnostics readout, a gear selector. So start the bike, hazard lights. that's it then, just a short little walk round and a listen to it. Great little bike. I've actually ordered some Vance and Hines slip-on mufflers for it. I haven't gone for the full system because I don't want to get the fuel computer and the air cleaner, and that's just mainly for sound really. I'm not bothered about the performance. It's great performance as it is really, so that'll be coming up on another video soon, and hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe if you like what you see, and thanks for looking.